Hello, this is Renee from 22 Social, and this is Facebook group paid membership tip number 15. And today I'm going to talk about membership perks. I've given a lot of ideas and other tips as to what can be included in the membership. This is going to be a quick one for you, but it will take some time, some thinking. So the idea I have for you is to create a customer success path. And what is the customer success path? Well, first of all, it's you got to think about what is the transformation that you're offering through your membership. What are the changes that someone would go through if they're a member of your membership? What are the let's say the point A to point B kind of change that you want to affect in your customers or your clients? And so once you know that and you have an understanding for that, now what are the steps that your customers have to take? What's step 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 or 6 that a customer needs to take in order to get to that? And I recommend not going over 6 steps, but it could be anywhere from 4 to 6 steps. And what's key is from this success path, this could be simply a PDF download that kind of describes what they're supposed to do, what's the path they're supposed to take to arrive to that dream place where they want to get to that you're going to help them with. Or this could be what drives a course. This could be what drives a foundation course that I talked about in a previous in a previous tip. Or it could also be perhaps what drives your ongoing content. Maybe you're going to focus on any one of those steps on a rotation on an ongoing basis. So this is something, it's a perk, but it's more than a perk. It's actually, I think, what could drive your entire training. So it's a really good exercise to think, what is the path that my customer or my client can take or needs to take in order to have the transformation that I want them to have, to go from point A to point B. So this is something to think about. And I mean, actually, even before you start your membership, this is a good place to start, just to have an overall idea of what it is you want to offer or help with your expertise for your clients or customers. So with that, I'll leave you, and I'll see you on the next tip. Thank you.